Who map. Hello students, we love to read stories and these stories have many characters. These characters are often related to one another as siblings, family or friends. Sometimes it can get difficult for us to keep track of all the characters in the story and the relationships that they share with each other. So today we are going to learn how to create a Who's Who map, which will help us identify the characters in a story and trace their relationships with each other. There are 4 steps to create a Who's Who map. Let us do this using the story The Monkey and the Crocodile. The first step is to identify the main character in the story and describe them in about 1 or 2 lines. Who is the main character of the story? The main character is the most important character in the story. The story is mostly about this character. So who is the main character of the story, The Monkey and the Crocodile? It is the crocodile. So I'm going to draw a box and write the title, The Crocodile. We can also make a small drawing to represent this character. Now, we will write 1 or 2 lines to describe the crocodile. We know that the crocodile was very obedient because he listened to his wife's orders even if it meant sacrificing his friendship with the monkey. So I'm going to write obedient here. We also know that the crocodile was very foolish because he was actually convinced that the monkey left his heart on the jamun tree. So I'm going to write foolish here. Let us move on to the next step. The second step is to identify another character in the story. Another character in this story is the monkey. Again, I'm going to draw a box and write the title The Monkey here. Similarly, we can make a small drawing here too to represent the character. The third step is to describe the character in about 1 or 2 lines. We know that the monkey was very helpful because he shared the jamuns with the crocodile despite knowing that the crocodile is a predator. So I'm going to write helpful here. We also know that the monkey was very clever because he was able to instantly think of a way to trick the crocodile and save himself from a dangerous situation. So I'm going to write clever here. We will mention the relationship that the monkey and the crocodile shares by drawing a line between the 2 boxes and writing the relationship above the line. We know that the monkey and the crocodile were friends. So I'm going to write friend here. Let's move on to the last step. The 4th step is to describe the relationship that this character had with the main character in the story. Students, we know that in the story, the monkey and the crocodile shared a very good friendly relationship. So they were good friends. I'm going to draw a line here and describe their relationship. So I'll write good friends. However, we also know that towards the end of the story, the crocodile cheated on the monkey by obeying his wife's order. So I'm going to mention that here. So students, we have filled the Who's Who map for 2 characters in the story. Similarly, we have to fill the Who's Who map and cover all the characters in the story. Students, there is one more character in the story, the crocodile's wife. So this is what the completed Who's Who map looks like for the story The Monkey and the Crocodile after covering all the characters in it. Students, now it is your turn to create a Who's Who map for the stories that you read. Bye-bye. Happy learning.